In just 1 week, I made over $5,700 with affiliate marketing using a brand new strategy that works really well. And the best part is I'm going to be sharing exactly how you can do the same. And I can promise you, if you actually go out there and start affiliate marketing for yourself, you're almost guaranteed to make at least an extra $1,000 per month using this strategy. It has honestly never been easier than now to start affiliate marketing, so definitely take advantage of this opportunity. But anyways, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so quickly, for anyone who doesn't know, what is affiliate marketing? So it's basically when you promote a brand's products or services with a specific link that you're given. And if someone actually clicks on your link and signs up, you're gonna make a commission. Okay, moving on now, let's actually talk about the affiliate marketing strategy that enabled me to make over $5,000 in just 1 week. So honestly, my strategy is pretty simple and just consists of 2 simple things. The first thing being that you do need to promote high ticket affiliate links. Now this basically means instead of promoting something that will only make you around $5 to $10 per sign up, you promote something that will make you a lot more money, anywhere from $30 to maybe $200 per sign up. Now the next step of the strategy just pretty much consists of making multiple theme pages on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. And then you're easily able to promote your affiliate links using your pages. Currently I have 4 TikTok theme pages in the money and motivation niche, and the nice thing about this is you don't actually have to show your face in any of the videos. But pretty much my pages look something like this. I'll just kind of put like a nice motivational quote and have some nice video clip in the background, and that's pretty much what gets views and does well for me. And I know this may seem really easy, but the main reason why most people actually don't do well with this is because they don't know how to actually grow on social media. But I've pretty much found a way to hack the algorithms and get a lot more views, so you don't have to worry about that, as I will be explaining how you can do that later on in this video. But anyways, that's pretty much just a short summary of how the strategy works. But now what I'm going to do is actually give you a step-by-step tutorial that you can follow if you actually want to start this today. So let's start with the very first step of this tutorial, which is just picking a topic or niche that you want to promote. There's so many cool niches out there that you can look into, like fitness, cooking, or even pets, and finance if you want. So just pick something you kind of are interested in. And once you've kind of picked out what your niche is, the next step is to actually create multiple theme pages on TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. And the reason for this is the more pages you have, obviously the more money you're expected to make. Okay, so once you have your pages ready, of course the next step is to actually get affiliate links so you can start making money. And in my previous videos, I showed you how to get affiliate links with clickbank.com, impact.com, and also Amazon Associates, and these 3 are really good. But I'll be honest, out of all of them, my favorite 2 are ClickBank and Amazon Associates, so I do want to focus on those for this video. And so I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can actually find high-ticket affiliate links using these 2 platforms. Okay, so first I want to show you how to use Amazon Associates. So first thing you want to do is create an account on Amazon Associates. And once you've created an account, what you can do here is go to product linking, click product links, and you're going to see a message here. And basically what it means now is that any product you see on Amazon that you want to promote, there should be an option in the top to actually get a link to promote it. And I'll show you an example of this. So here's a product, and if I did want to promote it, what I could do here is click on text where it says get link. And now you just copy that link, and there you go, you have an affiliate link that you can start promoting and make money from. But remember, you always want to promote high ticket items. You don't want to only make like $5 to $10 because that's really not worth it. And if you're wondering how to find out how much money you'll make from promoting a product, what you can do is click here on help, click on commission income statement, and here it's going to show you the percent you make for every product that you promote. So some products you make a lot more commission than others, so definitely try to find products that will make you a lot more money. Now next, I kind of want to show you how to use clickbank.com, which is honestly one of the best affiliate networks. So what you want to do first is just create an account. Okay, so anyways, once you have created an account on ClickBank, what you want to do is click here on affiliate marketplace. And once you get to this page, you're going to see a bunch of different topics on the left. So you can promote products in any one of these topics. For example, health and fitness. Maybe I want to promote something in the beauty industry. All right, and so here you go. You basically have a bunch of items you can start promoting. So all you have to do is click here on promote. And then what you do is just fill out all the information here, and then you can just click on this, which will give you your affiliate link. And you can promote as much products as you want. And the nice thing here is you can actually get higher commissions, as you can see. And again, always try to promote something that's going to make you a lot more money. But honestly, ClickBank is really easy to use, and there's a lot of great affiliate links. But anyways, moving on now, there is an important announcement that I want to make. So I finally came out with an affiliate marketing course since it was highly requested. And it literally goes through everything you need to become successful with affiliate marketing. I basically go through my exact step-by-step strategy that allows me to make over $15,000 per month consistently. And the course is structured whereas it's like you sitting right right next to me while I basically teach you exactly how you can become successful with affiliate marketing. So if you're someone who just wants more guidance and more exclusive tips and tricks on how to start affiliate marketing, this course is definitely something you should check out. And I even have unique affiliate links in the course that allow you to make up to $150 per sign up. And these affiliate links are only available to students who join the course. So if you're interested in checking out the course, I'll leave a link for it in the description of this video. But anyways, let's move on now. So let's just say you have all your affiliate links ready. Well, the next step now is to actually create a link tree. And you can create this on the Beacons website. And basically what this is just a page with all your different affiliate links that people can access. So it's going to look something like this, and you're going to actually put this in all of your social media bios. So I'll quickly make a link tree with Beacons and show you the result. Okay, so I just put all my affiliate links here, and on the right you can see what the website would look like. And then you can just copy that link up here and then just paste it in all your social media bios. So for example, I have the link tree in my Instagram bio, so if you do click on it, you can see here all my affiliate links. But now the next step, which is the hardest part, is actually trying to get people to click on the link. And obviously there are so many different ways you can promote your affiliate links, like starting a YouTube channel or running ads. But honestly, the method that I'm going to show you is much simpler. So pretty much my strategy just consists of creating multiple viral videos on all the social media platforms. And again, you are not required to show yourself in these videos. And not only am I going to show you how to actually make these viral videos, but I'll also give you some of the best growth strategies that can take your account from 0 to over 100,000 followers. Okay, anyway, let's start with how you can actually use TikTok to promote your affiliate links. And honestly, the main reason I was able to make over $5,000 in just 1 week was actually because of TikTok. So pretty much what I did with TikTok is create 4 different theme pages, and all these pages were in the money and motivation niche, and on each page I was posting anywhere from 1 to 3 videos per day. And I know that sounds like a lot, and it is, but that is honestly what it takes if you do want to be successful and make a lot of money. Now unfortunately, I wish I could reveal these 4 TikTok accounts, but I can't, because if I do, I'm almost 100% certain that someone is going to come and just copy all my videos. But there is an account that is very similar to mine, and it is this one here. So they pretty much just post the same stuff that I do, which is just money and motivation. And obviously you don't have to post videos in the money or motivation niche. This is just what I'm doing. But anyways, now you're probably wondering, how do you actually make these videos? And there's so many different ways you can do it, but my favorite way is by using Canva. And I do have Canva linked in the description of this video, and if you do use it, you are going to get a free 30-day trial. But anyways, once you create a Canva account, what you want to do is just click up here and then search for TikTok. Alright, and now you're just able to make a TikTok video here. But I understand it can sometimes be hard to come up with TikTok ideas, so I do have a solution for you. So what you want to do is go find videos on TikTok in your niche that are performing very well. So if you find a viral video, you might as well just recreate it, since you do know there's going to be a very high chance that it's also going to go viral on your account. And this video here got over 1 million views, so I'm just going to quickly remake it. So if I want to remake this, all I really need to do is just find a video of like a city background, which is really easy to do on Canva. And I can also just find photos like the ones used in the video. Alright, so I pretty much found all the content on Canva, and so the next step now is actually to just download each piece of content separately. And so now that all my clips and pictures are downloaded, what I'm going to do is just go ahead and edit the video on TikTok. Okay, so here's my TikTok video. I pretty much just use the same text, audio, and very similar captions to the other video. And it honestly looks good, and I think it does have the potential to do really well. And again, I do want to emphasize that I have 4 different theme pages on TikTok, and I'm posting daily on all of them. So if you're actually serious about growing on TikTok, you should do the same thing. Now I understand it can sometimes be hard for beginners, so try to do at least 2 pages if possible. But anyways, now that you know how you can kind of create content on TikTok, the next thing I want to talk about is some important TikTok growth strategies. So yes, there are some tricks that you can follow to kind of hack the TikTok algorithm, or at least just boost your growth by a little bit. So the first tip I have is to always use a brand new TikTok account, and the reason for this is if you use an older one, for some reason I noticed that your videos won't get as much views. Now the next thing to keep in mind is your first 5 videos on TikTok should be your very best, and the reason for this is because TikTok uses your first couple of videos to determine whether or not your account is actually worthy of being pushed out more. Next, you should always be using relevant hashtags. This way TikTok can actually show your videos to the right audience. And if you're wondering what hashtags to use, just look at what other people in your niche are using. And another tip that I already talked about that is so important is just always focus on creating videos that have already gone viral. Now you don't have to do this forever, but especially in the beginning when you're trying to grow, this is going to be very helpful. Now the last tip I have for you is please be consistent. You should be posting at least 1 to 2 videos every single day on every single theme page that you have. And yes, I do know this is a lot, but if you are trying to follow my strategy and make as much money as possible, you will need to do this. Now one thing that does suck with TikTok is unfortunately you cannot put your affiliate links in your bio until you reach 1,000 followers, so you do have to grind for a bit until you hit that 1,000 follower mark. And honestly, your growth on TikTok will depend on so many different things. Like I've had accounts on TikTok grow to over 10,000 followers in a couple of days, and I've had had other accounts that took over a month to just hit 1,000 followers. So you do need to be patient and you have to play the long-term game. But anyways, let's move on and talk about how you can actually use Pinterest to promote your affiliate links. So with Pinterest, you should aim to create at least 2 to 4 different accounts that you can use to start promoting your links. And the way you create content for TikTok would pretty much be the same for Pinterest as well. And to make your life easy, you can always repost content from TikTok to Pinterest. But if you do want to repost a TikTok video on your Pinterest account, what you want to do is go to the website snaptik.app, then just paste the TikTok link there and then download it. And this way it actually allows you to pretty much download the video without a watermark. And one thing to note with Pinterest is you never want to include a bunch of people's faces on your account. This can actually get your account banned. So avoid posting videos that have other people's faces. Unless it's your own face, then that should be fine. And whenever you are posting a video on Pinterest, always post it in the idea pin section. This way it's going to get the most amount of views. Okay, now there is another way you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest, which is by running Pinterest ads. Now honestly, I don't really recommend this in the beginning because you are just starting out, so you might as well not pay any money. But in the future, if you are looking to scale, then you might as well test out Pinterest ads. I have personally tried Pinterest ads and so far they've been very effective. And I also do talk more about Pinterest ads in my affiliate marketing course. Moving on, let's talk about how you can use YouTube Shorts to promote your affiliate links. So with YouTube Shorts, you'd basically be posting the same videos that you post on TikTok. You can also create different types of videos on here as well. Now the main way you're going to promote your affiliate links is just by putting these links in the description of each video you post. Now honestly, I don't think this will convert as well as TikTok, but you might as well try it out. Alright, now let's talk about how you can use Instagram to promote your affiliate links. So what you want to be doing on Instagram is just posting Instagram Reels. This is a very easy way to grow your account. It's very similar to TikTok. And obviously you can create all your videos on Canva and you can also just repost videos from other social media platforms on here. And of course, the goal is to redirect as much people as possible to your affiliate links. But anyways, that briefly summarizes how I was able to make over $5,000 in 1 week with affiliate marketing. And again, if you want to learn my exact step-by-step strategy and just have my guidance and my support, you can definitely check out my affiliate marketing course, which is linked in the description of this video. But anyways, that summarizes the video. I hope you take advantage of this opportunity and start affiliate marketing, and I'll see you in the next video.